Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to make your very own hair and scalp detox cubes. So if you all are interested, then let's get started. So for the first recipe, I will use apple cider vinegar because ACV is one of the best cleansing and balancing treatments for the hair and scalp, which in return will promote hair growth and healthier hair. It also has the ability to exfoliate dry flakes from your scalp, remove residue, and boost shine on your hair. Now the next ingredient is lemon. Lemon juice, as I've mentioned last time, is great for hair growth and preventing hair loss because it helps stimulate regrowth from dormant hair follicles, and the vitamin C found in the juice also strengthens the hair. Plus, it has antifungal properties that help maintain healthy scalp. This is also optional, but I like to add in some peppermint oil here for a cooling sensation in the scalp and as well help tame down the smell of the ACV. Plus, it also promotes hair growth. So here's how I do it. I use 1 cup of water and then I add in about that much ACV, and then to that I will add in the lemon juice, and then I will transfer it in this ice cube container like this, and then I will add on 1 drop of peppermint oil on each one and then freeze it. Okay, so now on to the second recipe. I will use coconut water because if you watched my previous video, I told you guys that the coconut water is rich in essential vitamins and minerals that will keep your hair and scalp nourished and healthy. It is also a great source of antioxidants to help prevent and repair the damage and also aid in treating dandruff, so it is great for hair growth. And then to this, I will add on some Himalayan salt because pink Himalayan salt can improve blood circulation, promote hair growth, and prevent hair loss because it removes dead skin cells and buildups. Plus, it also works to absorb excess oils while stimulating circulation for a healthy scalp. And once again, this is optional, but I will add in some lavender essential oil later for a nice fragrance. And if you guys didn't know, lavender oil also promotes hair growth, so I will include that in there. Alright, so in here I will once again put that in the ice molder and then add in the lavender oil later. And then I will put this in the fridge. And once it's all set, I will add in the pink Himalayan salt on top. So this is what it's going to look like. Now for the third recipe, I will use guava leaves because guava leaves are great for hair growth because it has some analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that are great and essential for maintaining scalp health. It is also rich in vitamin B and vitamin C that will help nourish your hair follicles, thus it promotes hair growth. Now what I'll do with it, of course, is I will clean the leaves and then I will add water to it and boil it because I want the juice extract of the guava leaves here. So after that, it's going to look something like this. And once it turns into this color, I will let it cool down and then add in some frankincense oil. And once again, as I've said, the essential oils that I'm adding in here are just optional. I'm just adding this for fragrance, and as well, the frankincense oil also has hair growth benefits. And once again, I will put that in this ice molder. Once it is all done, they are going to look like this. Now the reason why I did it this way, it's because this will lengthen the shelf life of these detox cubes or rinses. And this is actually such a good hair rinse prep because whenever you need to use them, you already have them in your fridge, so you don't have to keep on making them all the time. So how I use this is I just take 1 or 2 of these rinse detox cube and then I dilute it in water, and this is what I just use to rinse my hair after I oil my hair or after I shampoo it. Sometimes I also use this as kind of like a hair mask because I just leave it on my scalp for an hour to really cleanse my scalp or to detox my hair and then wash it off. And these are very helpful to have, especially on my hair cleansing days. And sometimes I mix the recipe number 1 and number 2 because it just works perfectly fine on my hair. And also, if you guys are concerned of using this cold on your hair, what you can do is you can actually use warm water and then just drop these cubes and let it melt, and then after that use it on your hair. So this is the result of it. I love how every single time I use it, my hair feels lighter and clean, and also my scalp feels very soft. And just the all-over texture of my hair, because I just feel like my hair becomes more shiny and soft as well. And this is also great to use if you are suffering from oily scalp, because it helps get rid of the excess oils on your scalp. Detoxing your hair and scalp from time to time is very essential, because it is going to help you not only grow your hair long fast, but also keep your scalp healthy at all times, especially if you're dealing with dandruff. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and I cannot stress enough the importance of detoxifying your hair and scalp from time to time, because it enables your hair to grow faster, and it is needed to growing healthy long hair. If you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please do share it to a friend if you found this content valuable. I don't know why I'm doing this. And I will see you and my dogs barking on my next video.